Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to discuss something that's oftentimes forgotten about, your cabin air filter. So basically with most cars, it's pretty much the same. Your cabin air filter is hidden just behind the glove box. So we'll go ahead and open the glove box, pull everything out, move the glove box out of the way, and then there's a little compartment back here where the cabin air filter is hidden. We'll just pull this little cover out, and then here's our cabin air filter. And quite frankly, night and day. Old one, new one. So we'll just go ahead and swap these out. And there we go. Now just place it back in. Put the cover back on. Put the glove box back in place. Put everything away. And you're done. And really not a bad job at all. Cabin air filter is one, there's a few different theories on it. I know there are guys out there that say, oh, it's just the air that goes into the car, just clean it off with a paintbrush. But this is everything that your cabin air filter prevented from getting into the car and having you breathe in. I mean, there's dirt, there's dust, there's even some leaves in here. So I think it is good to swap these out, especially if you live in California and you got to deal with all this terrible smoke in the air from the wildfires. Also, if you live somewhere with a lot of pollen, all that garbage in the air during the springtime. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. There's probably not going to be a video next week. California is having a very serious problem with wildfires right now. Pretty much everything is on fire, and everything that isn't on fire is covered in smoke. So I will see you guys in a couple weeks. You guys be safe, count your blessings, and take care.